We are building programs and products that affect people's homes. Hey guys, Caroline here. So in today's video, what we're going to talk about is why residents don't trust utility bills, right? Trust starts with clarity. And unless there is clarity and there is a clear understanding of what is being received and why it's being received, there's a lack of trust. And foundationally, in multifamily, we need trust. We are building programs and products that affect people's homes. It's an incredibly intimate industry, and it's an incredibly intimate product. What we do as utility management experts directly impacts residents' ability to budget financially for their homes. When you can't have a clear conversation with your residents explaining, here's how this is calculated, here's why you're getting it, here's how you will continue to get it, here's where that data is in your lease, right? When we can have conversations like that, you build trust. You don't erode it. But when you're unable to have conversations like that, it erodes very quickly. And trust is earned in drops and lost in buckets. Good luck rebuilding it.